Okay, so we've got two different sets because it's not possible in one single go. That's why I made it into two separate parts. Okay. So the one is the harvesting, then followed by there is a fermentation. के बाद क्या होता है कि they gotta put the wine in this triderous wine cask, and once you got this triderous with you yourself, then the new wines are being allowed to rest for some time. Now, when you rest a wine for some time, in case of a sherry, what is actually happening at that point of time? There is a floor. I mean, you get a floor on the top. There is a yeast kind of substances that will come on the floor on the top of the cask. This cask, this is known as, this actually known as your Saccharomyces beticus, or in normal time we'll call this as a floor. Now I can take a look. How does it look like? So this is your cask, and you got a layer of yeast on the top. This is called floor. Okay. Now, cask with a floor are categorized as a pheno, जिसके ऊपर ये layer आएगा, those are known as a pheno, and the people and the cask without anything, those are known as your oloroso. Okay. Olorosos once again further fortified, उसको वापस fortify किया जाता है with the addition of grape brandy, and then it also increase in alcoholic strength. We'll also learn the aging system that is known as a Solera system. And finally, it has been blended before bottling with the Pedro Ximenez and Muscat grapes. Okay. This is how the aging style, or we know it as a Solera system. Solera means to the ground or the Ciolo. Now, this is your first wine that comes on this cask, and it has been aged from here to here to here. So gradually it goes down to the last level. नीचे तक ये पहुंच जाता है. Okay. Then you can take the bottle. I mean, you can take the wine from this area. So that's called your Solera system, which happens in case of your sherry. Okay. And this is the aging process. The first, you put the entire 100 liters of sherry over here. This is all are cast, and is these are all connected together. धीरे 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 यहाँ से this will reach up to here, and it will take at least 3 months of time. धीरे 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 यहाँ से आता है, तो obviously all this aging, filtering, जो भी है, sediments वगैरह जो भी है, सब निकल जाता है, and you get the actual wine from there. इसके बाद sometimes sherries, just sherries are also being aged sometimes. Types of sherries. पहला sherry का जो part है, that is known as a pale straw light dry, that is pheno. Then you got another one is manzanilla, that comes from the driest sherry. It's come from the Sanlúcar de Barrameda. Now once again, this is close to the seaside. You'll feel a little bit of salty, sweet and salty taste. Looks like a fresh lime soda. इसके बाद आता है आपका Amount Dilado. Very interesting name. Looks like somebody is saying Amount Dilado. Okay. Amber yellow color, dry and nutty, alcoholic strength of 18%. Okay. Then you got something called Oloroso. That's strong fragrance, dark color, and an alcoholic of 20%. Once again, it is known as a body spray. I mean, like it's known as a perfume sherry. Very nice smell that you get from here. Finally, there is something called Amoroso, which is known as smooth and sweet, and it's also is known as a cream sherry. Very, very sweet in nature. Finally, there is something called Palo Cortado. क्या है? Palo Cortado. Palo Cortado is slightly more sweeter than the your Oloroso, Amoroso, sorry. And there is a last one is cream. That is the smooth and sweetest of all. Basically, start from Pinot. Pinot is the driest version. Cream is the sweet version. So dry, medium dry. Sorry, this is your very, very dry, dry, medium dry, sweet, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, and very sweet of all, something like this. Okay. So are the regions from where these wines basically come. देखिए तो Manzanilla सबसे coastal area में होता है. Otherwise everything is in this border. Okay. Famous brands of sherry like Croft, Tio Pepe, Sandeman, Osborne, Terry Gonzalez, Duff Gordon. इनमें से इंपॉर्टेंट जो आपको आसान लगे नाम याद रख लीजिएगा. ये देखिए Duff Gordon is a cream sherry. Okay. So all this brand is very, very important for the examinations. Service of sherry. Yes, sherry is something which is should be served within 7 to 9 degrees Celsius. But if you go for a dry version of sherry, जहाँ पे sweetness कम है, that should be served between 7 to 9. And sweet sherries are served in a high temperature, that is 11 to 13 degrees Celsius. Sometimes it is served as a desert wine. All kind of cream जो होता है आपका creamy dessert, जैसे कि cream brulee, panna cotta, उसके बाद समझ लीजिए fruit cakes हो गया. All these things can be served with this sherry. But ideally, there is something called Kopita glass. Kopita glass is a glass which is used to serve the actual sherry. Now, that's how the glass look like basically, a flat bowl. We enter to our next version, which is known as a Madeira. Okay, right? So Madeira is a famous fortified wine, not from any country, but there is a small island. We'll first learn about the island. So first of all, Madeira is situated on the 560 kilometer from Lisbon. That's the capital of Portugal. You can take a look. It's located here on the world map. And as you can see, Madeira is known as a wood of timber. The word comes from the wood of timber. मतलब वहां पे बहुत पेड़ था. It's a green, fully green island. Okay. मिस्टर जुआन गोंजाल्वेज जार्को, ये क्या हुआ एक बार कि पोर्तुगल से ये लोग एक बार जा रहे थे पेरू में. पेरू यूज्ड टू बी द largest gold deposit on the planet. After first was Peru and uske baad tha apna India. Suddenly they felt very thirsty and they got tired after traveling long. Okay, so they decided to take refuge in this area because देखिए यहाँ यूरोप में तो आपको ठंड मिलेगा. द मोमेंट यू कम दिस एरिया, दिस इज नोन एज इक्वेटर. एंड इस इक्वेटर का जो एरिया है यहाँ पे आपको बहुत गर्मी लगती है. इट्स वेरी वेरी हॉट आउट हियर. So that's the reason they all got tired for a long journey. And then they decided to stay. When they saw this island, they thought to take refuge here. Mr. Juan Gonzalez Zarco was coming from Peru. He thought this thing, it will be fantastic if we build up some wines and all everything over here. That's how the Madeira got invented. This is the man which is responsible for everything, which is known as Juan Gonzalez Jarco. And finally, this is the island. Look at this. This is a beautiful, a paradise on the earth. And I must say that it is nothing but our Andaman of India. Okay. So when in the time of Europe में क्या होता है कि summer के time पे there is a winter के time पे there is a holiday. फ्रांस में जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे समर वैकेशन होता है वैसे वहां पे विंटर वैकेशन होता है. बिकॉज when the entire France or Europe is covered with snow, you're not able to travel anywhere. It's very very hard to travel at that time. So they decides that decides that okay, let's go there and enjoy some heat of summer. That's why they come over. It's a very 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 excellent destination for all the Europeans. Okay. And that's how the Madeira grapes are planted. It is known as a Dhum Chash. I'm sorry, that's a Bengali word. It's a Dhum agriculture style. I went to Shimla, and one of the village I went and asked them that sir, that what kind of process this you call? But see, we don't have any flat land. Shimla में क्या होता है? Flat कुछ नहीं है. Everything is on the hillside. So we need to make the hill converted into a flat land. So they do this thing like this way, and then they plant the grapes over here. Okay, this is the process they how plant the grapes in Madeira. Grape variety, please listen to these names. One is Sarcial. I repeat again, Sarcial. Then there is a Vardelu. Then there is something called Bual, B-U-A-L, Bual. And the last one is your Mamsley. So Sarcial, Vardelu, Bual, Mamsley. Okay. You have attended this quiz, so you need not to say anything. It's a Waldorf salad invented at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel. चलिए तो फर्मेंटेशन स्टाइल वंस अगेन एग्जैक्टली द सेम. वही नॉर्मल कहानी है इसमें. हार्वेस्ट किया, क्रश किया, जूस निकाला, फर्मेंटेशन हो गया, फिर ग्रेप बैंडी ऐड किया एंड देन वी डू दी एजिंग एंड बॉटलिंग. एकदम सेम है. बुअल वर्देलू सी साइड में होता है एंड माम्सले एंड सर्शियल टॉप लेवल में होता है. तो अगर आप इस मैप को देखें, अगर हमारी मदीरा आइलैंड है तो माम्सले और सर्शियल इस एरिया में होगा एंड बुअल एंड वर्देलू होगा, दिस इज द फुट हिल्स ऑफ द लैंड, इस एरिया में होता है. तो नेचुरली क्या होता है, मोर हायर द टेम्परेचर मोर ड्राई द वाइन इज, मोर लोअर द टेम्परेचर एंड आल्सो टुवर्ड्स द सी यू आल्सो गेट अ सॉल्टी एंड एट द सेम टाइम स्लाइटली बिट ऑफ स्वीट अल्कोहल. ये है ग्रेप का मेन इंपॉर्टेंट. ऊपर में गर्मी विंटर के कारण वाइन बन जाता है ड्राई, हीट के कारण यहाँ पे होता है स्वीट। ये हमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज सीखना है, एस्तूफा सिस्टम, एजिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ मदिरा। So Mr. Zarco was traveling from Peru to Lisbon, that is the capital of your Portugal. On the way, he found that on the way he was carrying some wines from Peru. मैं कहा, sir, एक महीने का journey है, let's take some wine cask. The moment he reached Madeira, what they have found that the entire cask with the heat of the sun के heat से क्या हुआ, the taste of the cask got changed, change हो गया, and what happened, the wine tastes very much better than the way it was. So that's the reason they decided, let's heat the wine. It's a great invention. So Mr. Zarco was completely delighted that okay, chalo, something we have now which is far more better than the sherry. Then they decided to do something like this. So estufa system is something where the entire tank, a tank is filled with a sherry wine, I'm sorry, your Madeira, and then they increase the temperature from 0 to 50 degrees Celsius, and then reduce the temperature from 50 to 0 degrees Celsius 5 degree per day for 6 months. 3 month temperature increase करेंगे, 3 month में वो down कर देंगे. This is gradually happen vice versa. That's how the estufa चेम्बर लुक्स लाइक. यू कैन टेक अ लुक. ये देखिए ऐसे होता है हमारे टैंक्स. इस टैंक के अंदर वो डाल देते हैं और ये जो आदमी है यहाँ पे इस टेम्परेचर को कंट्रोल कर रहा है एक्चुअली. दिस इज हाउ नोन एज अ एस्तूफा सिस्टम. These are your types of Madeira. Basically very easy to understand. Grapes के नाम पे है सब कुछ. Once again, dry to sweet. ठीक है. This is dry, Sarsial, Vardelu, medium, Bual, Reach, and Malmsey is the sweetest of all. And there is another brand called Rainwater. This is very interesting. When Madeira arrives at America, what happened? वहां के लोगों ने क्या किया कि मदिरा को एक दिन बारिश में भिगो दिया. And they added some natural rain water. This is what happened. अमेरिका में मदिरा को प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए, जैसे अभी आप मालूम होगा चेन्नई में एक नया चीज शुरू हुआ है, रेन हार्वेस्टिंग, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, बिकॉज चेन्नई ने लास्ट ईयर बहुत पानी का क्राइसिस हुआ था. उन लोगों ने रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग करना सीख लिया है. तो वहां पे क्या हुआ, दे एक्चुअली हार्वेस्ट द रेन वाटर, and after the rainwater is harvested they add this to the Madeira wine. This is a famous brand, you can take a look, called as a Blandy. That's the famous American brand. Rainwater is invention not from this uh, Madeira, Portugal or Spain. It's basically from the America. Okay, right? This is your different labeling language. If it's aged for 5 years, then it is known as after the estufa system, the wines are also aged. 5 years ko kaha tha reserve, 10 years for special reserve. There's something called Kolhita. That's a very rare vintage style where the wine is at least aged for 5 years. And Frasquera, I repeat the name again, Frasquera or Garaferia. These are very, very rare and very a single vintage of your Madeira. Exceptional quality. Wine must be uh, neutral. Okay, right? So this is the factor, and Canterio is a aging method. Please note this one. What is Canterio? Canterio is a aging method which is used in the case of your this type of Hasquera Madeira. Okay. The more you age, suddenly the color will change. Basically, we all know that Sarsial, Bual, Vardelu, Malmsey are the white grape. तो कलर तो ऐसा होना चाहिए था ना, लेकिन धीरे 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 इसका कलर चेंज हो रहा है. बिकॉज कास्ट के अंदर जब रहता है ये, इट दैट कलर विल चेंज एंड देन इट इज टर्न इनटू डार्क. दिस इज द ड्राई वर्जन. इज नॉट दैट स्वीट. मीडियम ड्राई, ड्राई, सो वेरी ड्राई, मीडियम ड्राई, ड्राई, sweet and very sweet. This is extremely sweet. You will not like this also. It's so sweet. Okay. Service of Madeira. Madeira is once again also served in like Copita glass or tulip glass, and this is how the Madeira cake is called. Madeira cake. It is not made from Madeira wine, but it is available on the land of Madeira Island. Okay, and these are your accompaniment. The best accompaniment for Madeira is going to be tiramisu, chocolate pudding, tartine, and panna cotta. These are all your cream dessert. Huh? So cream dessert is served with the sweetest version, which is Bual and Malmsey. Sweet जो मदिरा का वर्जन होता है उससे होता है। स्लाइटली जो ड्रायर वर्जन है उनके लिए आप एस्पैरागस, आर्टिचोक, ग्रीन पी सूप एंड बटरनट क्वश, फॉर दैट इज फॉर द सर्शियल एंड वर्देलू। नो आर्टिचोक के टाइप अगर किसी को मालूम हो तो जेरूसलम आर्टिचोक एंड ग्लोब आर्टिचोक, ओके। ग्रीन पी सूप एंड बटरनट क्वश सूप, एस्पैरागस, ये सब ड्राई वर्जन में हम ड्रिंक करते या कंज्यूम करते उसके लिए दिस इज बीन यूज्ड, ओके। And this is your butternut squash is actually looks like. Fine. Happy Diwali to all, and stay safe and stay well. Okay. Thank you very much. Please watch this video several times so that you get a clear picture about it. Thank you.